Hi everyone! In this short video, one of our affiliate locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new 2009 Nissan Altima key fob. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all key fobs and transponder keys. Before we start, we would really appreciate if you can like this video, and of course, if you need any help, you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you.
Hello everybody, today we're working on the 2009 Nissan Altima smart key. As you can see, we have a learning slot here for the key to be learned, which is also used when the vehicle runs out of battery. Not the vehicle, I'm talking about the remote. If your remote stops working because of battery failure, you put it in here, and that's when the vehicle can read the chip and still start the car for you. So a lot of people don't know that slot's there. That's what it's there for. So now we're going to choose by vehicle, Nissan. We're going to go to Altima, turn the hazard lights on, North America, Altima sedan, 2009. We are going to go to immobilize the system, let the machine do the scan. And smart key learning. Hazard lights are on. The steering wheel just unlocked. And it wants us to turn the vehicle to the on position. Press OK. And now it's going to ask us to turn the ignition off and turn it back on. And we're going to have to look for a security light that blinks 5 times to let us know the car is reading the chip. There we go. So the security light is over there blinking 5 times, as you can see in the upper right corner. Turn it off again. Turn it back on, and the procedure is done. And that's how you program a 2009 Nissan Altima. Finally, we got the buttons to work. And the vehicle will start.
That's it! I hope you like this video and would really appreciate if you can give us the thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching.